don't forget to take this out. All right, guys, we got our classic white cake mix. We're gonna be doing a little firecracker cake for the holidays, and I'm gonna show you how we get it done. But first off, we gotta actually make the cake. So we got our egg whites in there. You wanna use egg whites because you want this to be a completely white cake. Got our oil and water in there. Just going by the directions on the box. Got our mixer here, start off on low. Start working the stuff in a little bit so you don't make a big mess. Get some of the stuff broken down. And then go to medium speed for about 2 minutes. All right. Done mixing. We have a slightly greased 9x13 baking dish right here. We're just gonna put and just get all that cake batter in there. We're gonna get the cake in the oven, 350, about 25 minutes, or until a cake tester comes out clean, or a toothpick, whatever you have. Okay, I'll see you in a sec. Cake is out of the oven. We've let it cool for quite a while now. We're gonna take our handy dandy little spatula, poke some holes in it, because this is gonna be a Jell-O poke cake. Okay, go ahead and set this aside. Got our hot water here. Going with a little strawberry Jell-O. I grabbed the family size, but in all honesty, we'll probably only use about half of this. So if you got the regular size Jell-O, go for it. Get this all mixed up. Make sure that Jell-O is mixed up, dissolved, all that good stuff. That is a vibrant color, y'all. All right, now we're gonna throw in our cold water. We're just doing the instructions like on the box. Get that mixed in a little bit more. You know, those little Pyrex cup things are notoriously bad at keeping things just pouring, although it's making a liar out of me. We're just gonna kind of do our best to fill up these holes. Okay, like I said, we're using about half of this. I'll let the rest of this firm up in the fridge. All right, team, we're gonna get this in the fridge at least an hour, probably 2. Let this really firm up, right? And then we'll come back and finish this up. I'll see you in another second. Team, we've let this go for about 2 hours. Now it's time to add our Cool Whip. So just get that on, spread it out. You know what to do. Okay, we've got our Cool Whip on. Now we're gonna add a little blue sprinkles on here. Just a little bit. We're trying to contrast colors a little bit. Now this is, you know, a firework cake for the 4th of July, but you know, it could be a firework cake for, you know, anything. The World Series, whatever. So if you see this video again and it's not the 4th of July, go with it. All right, here's what makes it a firecracker firework cake. We have strawberry pop rocks that we're putting over the top. And this is the step you want to do last, okay? So when you get ready to serve this up, that's when you add these. Don't add these and then like let it sit. You want these things to be popping when you get them going, and you don't want to kind of like hydrate them. You could already hear it kind of snap, crackling, and popping. Whoa. Get a little closer, you hear it? Yeah. All right, let's dig out a little corner piece here. There you go, y'all. Beautiful colors. Gotta dig it. Y'all, this is too much fun. The kids are gonna love this. Who doesn't love some pop rocks going off? You're gonna wanna make this, because baby, you know it's good. Ha. You can hear it. So cool.